Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to use Skyscanner to get the cheapest possible flights. Stay tuned all the way to the end and you'll see how I got a ticket for just $50. Hey travel family, I'm Lindy and I make videos teaching you traveling tips, inspiring you to get out of your comfort zone, and showing you how to chase your dreams. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and follow me on all social media platforms. Like I said, today I'm going to show you how to use Skyscanner to save the most amount of money on flights. Skyscanner is a meta search engine, which means that it searches across all the search engines to find you the best deals. So it's going to search across Expedia and Orbitz and Travelocity and all the other search engines, along with searching across the airlines themselves to get you the best deals. Now, to show you how to use it, I'm actually going to take you inside my computer so you get an inside look as to how exactly to use it.
So the first thing we're going to do is to go to skyscanner.com and put in your home airport. And for today, I'm just going to select Las Vegas as my destination. And I'm picking the month of June just because it is about 6 to 8 weeks out from my current date. And we're searching for flights, and it's going to show me the entire month of June. And what I want to do now is select a departure date that is in green, not yellow. Green means go, red means stop, so do not pick a red one. Pick a green departure date, a green return date, and I'm looking for the cheapest one here, so a cheap departure, a cheap return flight, and then scroll down and you'll see what your total flight cost will be there. Now what I can do is go back and select a different month, or I can let Skyscanner do the work for me and select cheapest month, which I do here. I can create a price alert here by just putting in my email address, and Skyscanner will email me if a lower price becomes available for this search. Now what I can do is see what the price is for the cheapest month and the dates that I've selected that were in green. We'll click the select button and it will show me all the options of actually booking. And one thing to keep in mind here is that none of the prices are going to include the baggage costs. Pretty much none of the airlines or booking sites are going to include those costs, so you need to keep that in mind as you are looking at prices and selecting your options. So Skyscanner is going to take you directly to the booking site. Once I'm on Expedia, then I can go ahead and complete my booking. Then I'm going to go ahead and head right back to Skyscanner, and I'm going to scroll down to show you an awesome feature that I just love. It's called Explore the Map. I'm going to go ahead and take down that price because I'm not going to pay $2,000 for a ticket. This is all about cheap flights. And as I move it down, you're going to see the dots going down until I get all the way down to about $300, which, you know, is still pretty expensive, but I can see that I could fly to Seattle or Houston. Miami's pretty cheap. I could go to Cancun for pretty cheap. I could go to Cuba for under $300. I could select a different month to see if that would change prices, which of course it will depending on the seasons. And I can go ahead and see that the green dots are the non-stops. The reds are going to have some kind of stopover. I could go to, ooh, look at that, Costa Rica, which I have gone to, and look, that's a pretty good price. And oh, over to Colombia. I've never been to Colombia. I'm thinking those prices are pretty good. I might need a trip to Colombia here coming up pretty soon. Ooh, oh, I could go to St. Croix, St. Thomas, Virgin Islands, anybody? I'm thinking yes, maybe. I love this feature. I love looking over the world. Now go back to the main page, click everywhere instead of a certain destination, and instead of picking a certain date, you're going to pick, again, the cheapest month option. That is one of my favorite features, and this time we are clicking everywhere. So we're going to search the entire world, and we are going to see the cheapest month. So from my destination to the entire world across the cheapest month possible. Are you ready for this? Hold on to your seats, people. Searching for flights. Look at that. I could fly domestically, of course, from $48. Do I want a cheap little maybe weekend trip? I think I probably do. I could fly to, let's see what my options are. I could go to Colorado. I could go to New York. I could go to Texas. And of course, this is going to require you to be flexible with your travel dates because this is the cheapest month. So you could click your button there and you could see what the dates actually are for that price. I could go international. You have your passports ready, you guys? Mexico, Iceland, Costa Rica. Hey, I could go all the way to Europe for less than $300. That is pretty cheap. Again, you have to be flexible with your travel dates for these prices.
Wow, wasn't that awesome? I love using that Explore feature to look over the whole map and just see, what could be a really awesome place to go to for really cheap in my budget? If you like this video and you learned something new, hit that like button. Comment below. What's the cheapest flight that you found when you used this Explore feature? And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Let's explore the world together. Make sure you follow me on all social media platforms and check out my other video on how to get cheap flights. The link is in the description box below. And I've got a tutorial on how to use the Skyscanner app because I know a lot of you are on your mobile devices. I know I am. So you can download the app for your phone and explore it. I've got a tutorial on how to use that. Link below. Again, thanks for watching. See you later.